In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So launch the game on your console or on your PC and access the Call of Duty homepage. And then from here, select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Then all you have to do is press the menu button on your controller and then navigate to the launcher menu by using the R1 or the L1 button and then select social. Now within the social settings, simply select add friends. So here it is, add friends, select that. And then there are three ways you can add friends in Black Ops 7. So all you have to do, the first one is by having the Activision ID. So if you have the Activision ID, you can simply select the search tab and then enter and type in the Activision ID for that particular player. Or the second way is by accessing the recent player menu. So you can navigate it to the recent section by using the R1 or the L1 button, and you should see all the players that you currently played with from this section. And also the last one is by the PlayStation Network. So if you have PlayStation Network friends, you can simply find the friend that you'd like to add. So let's say for instance this particular player, you can select them. And then all you have to do is select send friend request. So click select that. And then you should see information here. You have an outgoing friend request to that particular player. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.